I'm Rebecca. This is Main Attraction, Hollywood. I already trimmed it because it was too long. But now I think I want to add some layers to it. So do you think I can do a semi-wolf cut in less than 30 minutes? Because that's all the time I got. The first thing I'm going to do, I could put it on a wig head, but to me it's hard to measure exactly. These clips hold your hat on. By the way, they'll hold your wig on too if you're going in a really windy place. See, it's already fixed. Now, according to Paul Watts, I'm using his tutorial, you can do a wolf cut with 2 ponytails. The first thing I'm thinking, because this is a wig, it's brand new, but you know what? It feels a little tangly. So guess what I'm going to use? Not water. I'm going to use some conditioning wig spray. I'll tell you what kind in a minute. It smells really good. It is All Day Wig Spray. There, in case you want to get some. I got it on Amazon. All Day Wig Spray. The first challenge is to get this. And by the way, I like this. The color is champagne. Why am I doing this? I don't know. I just want to do it. Let me make sure my hairline is right. It is right. And the reason I'm doing this on me is because I feel it's easier to get a more accurate measure. Now, according to Paul, where the head breaks and then coming down to just in front of the ears, you get this hair and pull it into a ponytail. He says do it straight up. All right, I should have brought a clip. I'm doing this on the fly, and you might think, gosh, it takes a lot of balls to do that, and I'll be like, well, yeah. It's a wig, and I got this on eBay for a clearance price. So that is right in front of my ears, right? And because I want these layers to be spiky, I don't care if it's perfect, all right? And I'm not a hairdresser, and I'm not advising you to do this. I'm just showing you what I'm gonna do. Now see, I'm already losing some hair. He says to do the pony on top of the head and direct it forward. So there, on top of the head and direct it forward. That's kind of cute, right? So we got one pony directed forward. Now, the second pony, because this has so much hair, it has way more hair than the mannequin Paul was working on. And don't blame Paul if you cut your wig and it doesn't turn out the way you thought. See, I need more spray because it's kind of tangly. That can happen to wigs. And it might need a washing after. But if he saw all this hair this wig has, he might recommend 3 ponies. There is a 3-pony method, but I was hoping to just do a 2-pony method. It is kind of hard with it on my head to get a pony going on, you know. Can you see this? Kind of hard to get that pony going on because it's so much hair. Here I go again. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. I'm getting the pony. And so I'm going to make another ponytail. Now, I'm going to make it pretty tight. So you see, I have 2 ponies. I got a pony here and a pony here. I got a trash can here. Can you believe I'm doing this? I can. I'm not going to cut a whole bunch off at first. I'm going to cut, let me take it back to the back pony and compare them. I'm going to cut about this much off. And then because I do want it spiky, I may come back in here with thinning scissors and do this a little bit better. Are you nervous? Are you nervous? I'm not. I should be. I think I'm getting to be an old pro at this. So far, I've never really messed up. Guess I should be happy about that. And yeah, it's kind of uneven, but this is on purpose. And now this, I'm a little bit nervous. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm just going to take a whack. And again, I might have to do 2 ponies back here, but I'm going to see. And I'm not going to point cut so much. Let's see what we got just on the first run. Am I hitting the 30-minute mark? I'm less than 30 minutes. Ooh, and there is hair everywhere. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that. What do you think? Now, if I really wanted it to come forward and be spiky, kind of like Jones Aesthetica, I like it. What do you think? Now, if I wanted to wear these bangs forward, I would probably cut them a little bit more. But I'm not sure if I do yet or not. I do like the spiky look. I do like the volume. You're wondering, what does the back look like? This crazy woman cutting on her hair in front of God and everybody. Now see, wait. I gotta make sure. What if I did this and I was crooked? I don't know why it looks a little bit uneven today. Yesterday it looked perfect. Let me see. Oh, just a tad. Just a touch. Could have been in my thing. Anyway, I'm going to spin and let you see it. This is without shaking it out. I like it better. Okay, I liked it the other way, but I like it like this. Now I might come back and put some more layers. Oh yeah. I've still got my hat grip on. I might come back and do more layers. And I might do the bangs. It's a shame to let that lace front go to waste. But I think it's cute. I think I'm going to wear it. Now I'm just wearing a big old t-shirt because I was cutting hair. And I like it. What do you think? Now see, we could do it back or we could do it more spiky and more forward. And you know, even if I did cut the bangs a little bit, I could always do them forward or do them back. What do you think? How would they look forward? Oh, that's kind of cute. I'm just gonna do to the side for right now. Here's the thing, like yesterday I cut the length and I liked that. Today I cut just a few layers and they're really long layers and I like that. So we'll see what else we're gonna do. I'm thinking this is good for now, right? What do you think? And remember, it is full of that conditioning spray because I had to get the tangles out of it. Hollywood, main attraction, champagne, only it don't look nothing like when it came. I'm Rebecca at Wig Fun. What else do you want to see? What else would you like to do to your wigs or watch somebody else do to their wigs? I'll see you soon. Oh, make sure you subscribe and that way you'll always know. When you subscribe, hit that little bell, then they'll tell you when I upload, which is pretty often.